Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very interesting and fun new video for you guys. So we just bought this vintage Timex watch collection. So everything that you see here is either Timex or Carriage or Acqua by Timex. So all of those watches are basically Timex. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. So let's start with the watches and see how they look. Here is a very nice watch. It has the original Timex watch strap and it's in very good condition. The watch crystal is also pretty good. And here on the back, you can see that it still has a small tag. So most likely it will be in working condition. Here we have a Carriage. So just as mentioned, some of them will not be branded Timex on the front, but they are made also by Timex. Here we have this animal print strap and also a larger size compared to these ladies ones, as you can see. Here we have one with the Indiglo function that is not activated through the watch crown, but you have this extra button on the left side that will actually activate the glow function. It has the back. We have seen that there are a few watches that are missing the backs. Here you have another Carriage version. You can see that on the back, this one has a Timex signed back. They also have the exact same style and model with the Timex logo on the front of the watch. Here we have a very interesting piece, a more modern one with this unique bracelet that is split into two at the end. So very unique case as well. I really like the dial as well. As you can see, it is in very good condition with the original strap, the buckle. So this will most likely work when we have a battery inside of it. Let's keep on going. Here we have a simple white dial with the pink second hand and the pink bracelet. Here you can see that you have different versions of the same case size. So here you can see the difference in the dial color. Also, there is this one that has the silver tone case. As you can see, all three have the date window at 3 o'clock. So they both have the date window and the Indiglo. As you can see, Indiglo is mentioned at 6 o'clock. So these are very nice pieces. All have their backs. This strap is in very good condition. This one will need replacement. As you can see, it is torn. Okay, here we have a rectangular one with this leather watch strap, a very nice dial, stainless steel case and back. You can see that it has the 1216 cell type. So usually that is how you can tell what kind of battery will work with your Timex watch. So if you go on the back of the watch, you can actually see the battery type that works for that exact model. So that is something that Timex does very well. So it is very easy to tell what kind of battery you need. Here we have 4 other models. As you can see, 3 of them are Timex and 1 is Carriage. Only this one has the date complication. And as you can see, the rest don't. Here we have a very interesting dial, white dial, Arabic numerals. As you can see, this watch was most likely never worn. The blue strap is in very good condition. This is a men's size watch. As you can see, we have a button right here on the left side that will activate the Indiglo. And here, since the back has fallen, you can also see the Timex movement from within the watch. This is most likely from the 90s or early 2000. Here we have another 2 ladies pieces. This one has a very nice dial. The watch strap is in very good condition, so this will most likely work once the battery is inside. The watch crystal might have a small scratch there, so we'll try to see if that one goes away or not. Here we have a two-tone model, so as you can see, the silver tone case with the gold tone crown and this outer gold tone ring, such as a bezel that is not an actual bezel or rotating bezel, and it comes on this simple black NATO strap. Here we have a Carriage model with the blue dial or the light blue dial, very cool piece. And here we have another Timex version. As you can see, this one has the gold tone Arabic numerals. Here we have 4 more pieces. As you can see, we have one with the black dial, one here on the right that has this very beautiful rainbow dial and this very unique case shape. Also with the original back. The watch strap is in quite good condition. This one is missing the back. A fun fact, you can see that this watch is actually working. Here we have a classic one, and here we have a Carriage, which as you can see has 2 Roman numerals at 12 o'clock and at 6 o'clock. Very nice case shape with the original brown leather watch strap, very good condition. Something blue here. This is a Carriage with the back, as you can see, Carriage by Timex. Here we have an Acqua Indiglo, which is also made by Timex. You can see that they have the same style and the Indiglo function, the same type of backs, and they also use the same battery types. So as you can see, CR1216. So that is the exact battery that you will need. Here we have a smaller rectangular watch. As you can see, it already has a battery, so we will be able to use a 364 in order to test this watch, but it is missing the back. Here we have another simple Timex. This one, as you can see, it has a very rough crystal, and since it is mineral, so it is glass, we cannot polish it very easily. So most likely it will be replaced. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our 2 websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. Here we have another 4 pieces, as you can see, quite similar among each other and also to the ones before. This one is maybe the one that is a little bit different, and as you can see, the watch crystal is a little bit domed. So this means compared to this one, as you can see, this one is flat, and usually glasses that are flat are actual glass, whereas this one is actually acrylic. Here are another 4 pieces. These 2 are quite similar to the other ones, whereas this one, the Carriage one, is different, but as you can see, it needs a new strap and a lot of cleaning. Also, we have this one, as you can see, Acqua Indiglo with a water resistance of 30 meters. Here on the back, it will need a new strap as well, but this one is very nice compared to the rest. As you can see, it has this black style bezel. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt that comes off these watches, so we need to take a lot of time to actually clean them and have those straps replaced. Here are another few models. As you can see, the white dials with the gold tone dials on the right, and here we have a very nice, more vintage piece, maybe from the 90s or early 2000s, with the date Complication. Here we have another set of 4. As you can see, the Carriage is in working condition. Here we have a very nice Timex case, as you can see, quite different from the other ones. And also it looks like a fossil watch strap. So that might be very good quality. Usually Fossil have higher quality when it comes to straps and also to the materials that they use compared to Timex. So here are 5 more pieces. As you can see, we have a Timex with a blue strap here on the right side, followed by this Timex with a very nice burgundy watch strap and a very cool simple watch design. Then we have this one that is very similar to the other ones, the Carriage with the two-tone case, and also this very small oval shaped with the silver tone stainless steel case and very simple silver tone details on the dial. Here we have a Timex Q. So as you can see, at 12 o'clock, instead of the 12-hour marker, we have a Q. So these are called Timex Q. You can see that the watch is missing the back and the bracelet has come off. So it lacks this pin that holds the bracelet in place. Here you can see the watch movement. We will have to find a back if the watch is in working condition. Here we have 2 nice pieces. Here on the left we have a dark black maybe dial, but once again the watch is missing the watch back. But if you collect more watches, you will be able to take parts from the ones that are not working. A very nice watch strap, two-tone, and also pretty clean, as you can see, compared to the rest of the watches. And here we have a very nice and unique Timex model. It is the Timex Electronic. As you can see, it was made for the West Germany part. So this is most likely a vintage model made in the 70s or 80s. And it uses a battery here. It also needs a lid, so a cap that will come and hold the battery in place. And you can actually set the time using this button right here. So the crown is actually on the back of the watch compared to regular watches where you have the crown at 3 o'clock. Also very nice gold tone 3D hour markers. As you can see, the watch crystal has a lot of scratches, but since it is domed, you can really feel it that it is acrylic crystal. So we will be able to polish this one. Here we have a few on the elastic watch straps. Here we have a mechanical one that has the back and it comes with the original watch strap. Here we have a very nice and elegant trio. As you can see, we have the two-tone version, the simple gold tone with the oval case and the acrylic watch crystal. And also we have this one that usually comes on the leather watch straps, but also on these extensible flexible watch straps that can easily fit small, medium, and even larger wrists. Here we have another very cool, interesting piece. Once again, it is missing the back. As you can see, it has a small protection and a more complex watch movement compared to the rest of the Timex watches. Here we have a date complication. As you can see, the watch crystal is glass and it is quite thick. It is flat. So a very nice Timex Indiglo piece. Here we have a few more ones. As you can see, the Acqua Indiglo version with the button on the left side. Here we have 2 watches by Carriage. One is the bigger version and this is a very tiny, small one. As you can see, the watch strap is in very bad condition and usually these need instant replacement. Here we have 2 smaller ones with the black dials that come on these very small lugs, so they need very small watch straps, but nonetheless very nice models. Here we have the two-tone, here only the gold tone. Here we have the Q, so the Timex Q from Quartz. Very nice pieces. Here we have 4 more pieces, a two-tone here on the right side, a mechanical one. As you can hear, it winds. And most likely you can hear the tick. so that is in working condition. Here once again, a very small ladies Timex watch, and here we have the two-tone Timex watch. As you can see, the watch strap is very dirty. It will need to go inside a cleaning machine. We will also show you how we do that. And here are the last 4 pieces that we have. So here we have the one with the oval shaped case. Here we have a very nice vintage piece with the silver tone case, the original silver tone bracelet. As you can see, there is a lot of wear and aging on the back of the case. Here we have a more modern and simple gold tone case. And here we have a very classic 90s Timex Indiglo piece. As you can see, there are a few signs of aging. This is what usually happens with watches that have not been well looked after. And also safekeeping plays a very important part in that. So guys, those were just a few watches from our collection. If you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, make sure to go to our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale.